Hi, Christine Toney here with Lilla Rose and Essentially Styled. Today I'm here with my daughter Hannah, who has long, gorgeous hair, and she allowed me to straighten it today because it's easier for me to work with. She's got gorgeous curly hair. But we straightened it today because I wanted to show you, I came across this picture I saw with this pretty bun, and I thought we can do that with Lilla Rose. So it does require an elastic, which we usually don't use with any of our products, but it did make it a little easier with this. So although I don't recommend elastics on a regular basis because they do damage your hair, every once in a while to help with the style, it can be fun. So I'm going to have her turn around, and as I was straightening her hair, I did use some of our rose water, and I'm going to use a little bit more here and then brush it through just to help smooth that out. And you can see already that just helped so much. And the Lilla Rose water is amazing. If you haven't tried it, give it a shot. It is steam distilled from Bulgarian roses. It's great for your hair and your face, so give that a try. Okay, so to start with, I am going to use that elastic, if I can find it. I've used a clear one, and I'm doubling it up to start, so I have to bring your hair through it less often for less damage. So I'm going to pull it through once. Okay, and so it's not extremely tight. Then I'm going to loop it again and pull it partially through. Okay, and so I'm going to leave that hair like so. Now I'm going to wrap the hair around, and you can see I have some Lilla Rose bobbies here. Lilla Rose bobbies are not like any other bobbies. They are super strong and amazing to hold your hair, but I am going to show you how to take them out carefully when we're done here. So I'm going to take this hair now, and in the video, actually it was a picture I saw, they did another hair band here, but we don't really need to do that. And I'm just going to twist and wrap here, and I am going to take a bobby pin to secure that end there, and then I am going to use our Toney, and it's cute just like that, just as kind of like a drop bud. Then I'm going to go grab a little bit of that bottom and a little bit of that one that I went around, and grab some hair from the top just to add some extra security and a Lilla Rose clip. I'm going to have you back up just for a pretty drop bun. One Lilla Rose bobby and a Flexi. Now this is a small Flexi. She has fairly thick hair, but we're just securing part hair, but she wears a small for her ponytail and half back. We both wear the same size, even though her hair is much longer than mine and significantly thicker, but we can both wear a small unless she's going to put it all up, and she upsizes for that. So really pretty. I almost hate to take it down, but I am going to show you how I want you to take out the bobby. So it's here somewhere, and I'm going to find the other end. If I can find it, there it is. And I'm going to push it through as much as I can. But before I take it all the way out of the hair, I want those pins to open up to release that hair, because they're so tight they will take your hair with it. So I'm going to slip my fingernail into the pin before I still has up there so it can release the hair before you pull it completely out. So I hope you like that. It was kind of fun. I'm going to try it now that we're here. I'm going to actually try it with our Upins as well. I didn't plan on doing this, but I think it would be really pretty. So this is our Compass Rose Upin. Okay, real pretty. And I'm going to grab again just part of that twist, and it's going to kind of alter where it's positioned a little bit, and then grab again just a little bit. It doesn't take a lot. A little bit of that hair. Grab hair from outside, keep contact with your scalp, and slide it in. Okay, so done. You can secure it with, let's see, this one's needs to be a little higher up, I think. There we go. So if you have any questions, let me know. Lilla Rose Upins, and Flexis for unique buns, ponytails, twists, and all kinds of updos. Thanks a lot.